everyone. So today we're gonna install Meso Customs Ultimate LED turn signals. So a big thanks to Meso Customs. I got this in a giveaway competition he had. I got second place and I got these. So super excited to install them. And yeah, always wanted them. Glad I got them. So we're gonna see how it looks. So this came with the custom stickers and the left and right turn signals themselves. So you can see it's all blacked out. I must say this is really good quality. It looks OEM or better than OEM, to be honest with you. So left, so right, and left. Packaging is really good. It came with a protective film above the light itself. Connectors look good. Alright, let's get to installing. Okay, so first step in this install procedure is to remove this back plastic cover here. All I really need to do is pull. I'm using some gloves just to make sure that I don't scratch anything, I don't damage myself. I also put this blanket on the floor, on the ground, because just in case it falls down, I don't want it to get scratched up, even though I have the paint protection film on it. Yeah, let's see. Okay. There we go. Came out fine. Okay, so for this, I think I'll take off my gloves. We have 2 screws here. When I get these screws off, when I remove this, make sure you do this, get this wire off with this little clip here. Just to show you what the exact wire routing is. It comes from here, and then it goes into this clip here, and then it goes under the clip here, and then down. I found it easy to just do one wire at a time instead of trying to do both at the same time. And then last, there's these 2 clips here. These 2 clips which you need to squeeze, like so, to remove the existing lights. And then finally, this clip here, which press this, move this connector. Done. Just a visual comparison of Meso's one under here versus the stock one. So we have all this chrome, and I'm going for this black and blue theme on my truck. And plus, these LEDs are really crappy. Meso's ones are a million times better. So let's get back to installing these now. The process is basically the same except opposite direction. So plug this back in. Okay. Put it back in here. Seems to be secured. Remember to route back these wires. And now I'm going to put back the screws. Okay. And then lastly, gonna put back on cover. If you press it in everywhere. Alright, that seems to be fine. So this is how it looks visually. You can see it looks way cooler on the left hand side over there. Versus that side, that block looks so sick. This is the chrome. Let's see how it looks when I put on the indicators now. You can see it is bright day right now, and you can't see the Toyota OEM one. You can clearly see that one though. And it's pretty much in sync with these here. Looks pretty sick. So right hand side is basically the same thing, just gotta follow the same procedure. So this is what the final product is looking like.